And Tom, this is the probably the most difficult question of the afternoon, but you have somebody in your life and you want to tell them they got bad breath. Any words of advice on how to do that?
Well, that is the critical question. But what we say is one of the things you can do is you can offer them a mint, all right, or a piece of gum. And that may bring up the question, why? Give it to them. Why do you do that? Well, you can ask them the question, have you noticed that any problems with your breath? All right. And then say, well, yes or no. Say, well, you can be gentle. Say, I've noticed that your breath, don't say it's bad, say your breath is a little off. So, but the good news now, see, in the past, when you did that, people had nothing they could do. So you just gave them a problem for which they had no solution. They would then clean their teeth a lot, brush their teeth a lot, brush their tongue a lot, still had bad breath.
There, yeah.
So now you can say, however, I know a place you can go that will guarantee a cure and you'll be free of bad breath for the rest of your life. How good is that? So we like to say, we're going to change the world one breath at a time.